rain.
That hurts, right? Alright, let's get back in the car.
To the rhythm of the beat that makes you free. Now come alive, girl, get on your feet. To the rhythm of the beat, to the beat, the beat, to the beat, that makes you free. To the rhythm of the beat that says you go on and on to the bass.
You know, Chauncey, there's certain records that you have to let play. You know, there's certain records as a DJ that you can't cut off.
So we'll see. Maybe it's gonna start. Beanie, why did it hurt so much? Because it hit the knee really hard? Yeah? The knee? The knee? Was it the knee?
That's called dancing commitment. That's called a commitment to dance, right, Beanie?
That's what everyone in my car said too.
What?
If anyone's not enjoying Jonathan's text, I'll read them aloud. Jonathan says, are you guys enjoying Jonathan's text? I'm going to read them. He says, just got updated on the status of the show. Seems like they're doing sparklers now. Just getting into smoke bombs. You can see the smoke if you look in the lights. A Roman candle is about to go. The finale is going to be those little plastic champagne bottle poppers. Where are they going? Donovan. What are you doing with your booty? What is going on with your booty?
No booty. No booty.
Wait, are those guys leaving?
Yeah, they're gone.
They left.
Yeah.
And now they're still there. All I really wanted was dance buddy. But the only thing I couldn't figure out is how we're gonna have a dance buddy.
I think when Beanie went down, that was pretty much it.
No, I think we're going.
We're leaving.
We're going. We're right behind you. Well, thank you for coming back. We needed some closure. We understood it.
Yeah, when there's that, it's cold time. Literally, that's not. Close the door.
Hey, close the door.
Close the door and get.
Close it.
I know, get into your seatbelt. You have her tomorrow. Okay, move up a little bit.
I was thinking the belt, but it's yellow. But that way we came is like so slow with the lights. What do you think?
My parents are locking my window. Ocean seems like there's never any traffic.
It's just all those lights. What's the matter, baby? What happened?
Yeah, I hear it too. Now they get frozen. Look, I don't want to go home. See what they do.
All right. Okay.
I don't want to know this because I don't want to get on the highway.
Okay. I'm right behind you.
All right, we're going to take Ocean too.
All right. So.
You want to be on the highway?
Okay.
We'll see you at the ocean. Oh, the highway. Oh.
The belt.
Oh, okay.
The belt takes you along the harbor and gets you your favorite Staten Island.
See them at the ocean, right?
The traffic goes ways.
We'll go see them at the ocean, right?
No, they're not going to Ocean. No, they meant Ocean a road.
Oh, you going to the ocean road too?
We're all going home the same way. Along the ocean. We've got about a half an hour in the car to talk Laura Abra into staying over.
Come on, don't stop.
All right, sit down.
Is it uncomfortable?
Sit down here. Sit.
Can you tell Laura how you can talk by yourself?
Rainy, your door's open.
Wait, did you?
Are you just being lazy?
Wait, did you like sneak out of it or did you unbuckle it?
Rainy, your door's open.
Sneaked out of it. Yeah. Okay, so get up.
Rainy, your door's
Oh wait,
open.
hold on. I gotta do the bus. Bump. That was really fun, Rainy. You.
Rainy has some moves.
Rainy has moves. Okay, great. And I have some names too. What? Get it? No.
I get it.
Really?
It'll be fine once we start.
Next time I'm going to show you my jumps.
Ooh. Wait, jumps?
And then my walk.
Are you okay, Laura? Are you sure?
Whoa. Really? Sorry, you're not really in. Hold on. Don't mess my friend.
Yeah. Can you sit back? I'm going to hold it till you sit back. Is that okay? Yeah. Okay, I'm shoving you in. Okay. Whoa. You guys, thanks for such a fun time.